How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, let's get started. If you have got banned from the Facebook Marketplace, there is no such direct option by which you can get unbanned. However, the best alternative is to appeal in the Facebook Help Center. For this, go to the profile on your Facebook page and click on Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem and then on Report Problem button. This will start creating a report. Tap on Don't Include, then search for Marketplace. Tap on Marketplace, and in this box, you have to describe how you have not violated any of the rules and policies of the marketplace, or if you have done so, you would not rectify the problem and the policy again. After this, also attach some of the screenshots and then upload it. Once you send the report, you will get a reply on 2 to 3 business days regarding your appeal. So this is the only practical way for getting unbanned. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.